Metabo HPT36V MultiVolt trademark cordless duplex nailer, 21-degree duplex nail, up to 3.5 inch, 136V battery plus charger, and our 3675DD. Award, 2020 Pro Top 9021 NS Framing Nailer 21-degree 3.5 with depth adjustment professional air nail gun. Widely used for 21-degree 2-inch to 3-1/4, 50 to 83 mm plastic collated framing nails. Toolless depth of drive adjustment for improved control and flexibility when fastening into various types. Powernail PowerPalm floor nailer. Virtually eliminates top nailing on both hardwood and engineered, tongue and groove flooring. Will blind nail starting rows, final rows, and in tight spaces. Drives both 16-gauge and 18-gauge L-style and T-style cleats, floor nails. Will also countersink unset cleat nails. Specially designed. Porter Cable 20V Max * cordless brad nailer kit with 1 battery, 18GA, PCC790LA. 100% battery power of the cordless brand nailer eliminates need for compressor, hose or costly gas cartridges. Motor design of 18-gauge brad nailer provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. BHTOP cordless staple gun, for V-Power brad nailer / staple nailer electric staple with rechargeable USB charger. Staples and brad nails included in pink, include 1500 PCS staples and 1500 PCS nails. Convenient operation, the stapler is practically maintenance-free. Its easy access bottom load magazine for quick and convenient reloading. There is magazine window making it easy to know the quality of the nails and the time to refill the magazine. With the LED level indicator, remind you of the power status.